Want to make your car or truck stand out? Custom Carbon Fiber by Cowles Custom is a flexible carbon fiber style molding designed to add a carbon fiber accent virtually anywhere on your car, truck, or SUV. This 3/4 inch wide molding is ideal for window frames, wheel wells, bumpers, and the sides of your vehicle. Custom Carbon Fiber is made of durable vinyl resins and backed with 3M attachment tape. Just peel back the liner and apply to the vehicle. With Custom Carbon Fiber, you can enhance the appearance of your vehicle in minutes. Ride in style with quality products from Cowles Custom.